Solving trigonometric equation, worksheet 1. The whole idea of worksheet 1 here is to understand the primary trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan. To understand in which quadrant they are positive and in which quadrant they are negative. That means you need to understand this particular quadrant. That is, when you draw, always place this and write down cast rule, C-A-S-T, right? You know, cos is positive here, all are positive here, sine is positive in quadrant 2, and tan is positive in quadrant 3, right? So these are your quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And for my friends in India, all silver teacup, right? All are positive here, silver for sine, T for tan, and C cosine, right, for cup. So all silver teacup or cast rule, anything, gives you the same result, right? So when we say 0 to 2 pi, let me add this. Those of you who are doing in degrees, for them, we'll write this as from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, correct? One full circle is 360 degrees. So look for all the possible solutions from 0 to 360 degrees in all these questions, correct? Now, that's one thing. Second thing is, most of the problems here can be solved and you can write down the exact answers. For exact answers, you need your special triangles, correct? So the special triangles I can draw here as a reminder for you, and that is like this. So one triangle is a 45 degrees triangle, correct? So for a 45 degree, these sides, you know, are 1, and that is square root of 2, correct? And this side is 45 degrees. Or you can write pi by 4 if you're doing in radians, and that's 90 degrees, correct? And now those of you, okay, the other special triangle is 30, 60 and 90, so we can extend this side. This is 1, we'll make it twice the length and then join this side here, right? Okay, actually the twice the length is this side. So let me write down in a different ink so that, okay. So we have here 2 and this is square root of 3, correct? So that angle for us is 30 degrees, which is pi by 6 for those doing in radians, and that is 60 degrees. Let me write that as pi by 3, the 60 degrees angle, right? So you get this other special triangle, 30, 60 and 90, right? 90 is pi by 2. So you have these two special triangles for all your answers. So this will solve most of the questions except for this, right? So in this particular question, you need to use your calculator to solve. And you can round your answer to 1 decimal place, right? So don't forget to change your mode to radians or to degrees, whichever unit you want to work with, correct? Now, so that was a background on all these 6 questions. I'd like you to copy these questions, solve them out. And after that, you can look into my solutions, right? So I have solutions for all 6 of them. And then look for the solutions and suggestions, correct? So, and then at the end, you should write down your learnings. And after worksheet 1, we'll have a couple of other worksheets. Worksheet 2 will have quadratic equations where factored form will not be given to you, but you need to factor and then do the needful, right? And then we'll have some very typical questions on trigonometric equations, and then we'll graduate to double angle and compound angle trigonometric equations involving double angle, half angle or compound angle formulas, okay? So those will be your worksheets 4 and 5. So I hope with these worksheets you will get a very good practice on solving trigonometric equations. So copy these questions. The first one is sin x equals to minus square root 3 over 2. B, cos square x equals to 1 over 4. C, cos square x equals to cos x. D, sin x equals to 3 over 4 cos x. E, sin x minus 0.5 or half times cos x plus half equals to 0. And then we have square root 3 minus tan x times square root 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. All the best. and try to solve these equations, write all possible answers. And if you need help, you can always contact us, write to us. Share the videos with your friends, and definitely look for our suggestions and solutions provided in the following videos. Thank you.